Did you know that trees can literally talk to each other? I'm serious. What if I told you there's an entire underground world, an internet of trees, if you will, where messages are exchanged, chemical alarms are sent out, and even nutrients are traded? All without a smartphone in sight? Trust me, you will look at nature differently by the end of this video. Let's take it from the top. Imagine walking through a forest. It's calm, serene. You hear birds chirping, the rustling of leaves, but beneath your feet, chaos and communication are unfolding in ways that might blow your mind. You see, forests are not just random individual trees trying to survive in the wild. They are actually highly organized, interconnected systems. And what's making this happen? None other than a hidden network known as the Wood Wide Web. What's Wood Wide Web? Yes, you heard that right. The Wood Wide Web. Here's how it works. Beneath the forest floor, there exists an extensive network of fungal threads known as mycorrhizal networks. These tiny, often microscopic threads, though invisible to the naked eye, quite literally connect one tree to another, forming an underground communication system unlike anything you've ever imagined. What's even more impressive is how these networks operate like the internet we know. Plants and fungi are the routers, cables, and servers of this natural intranet. It's like the OG version of Wi-Fi. Through this network, they send nutrients, messages, and even warnings across distances that can span whole forests. But what exactly is mycorrhiza, you ask? Myco is derived from the Greek word for fungi, and rhiza means roots. So essentially, it refers to the symbiotic bond between fungi and plant roots. This partnership goes way deep. Fungi provide trees with nutrients like phosphorus and nitrogen from the soil, while trees pay them back in sugars made during photosynthesis. Think of it like an ultimate win-win barter system. These flows don't just stick to a one-on-one transaction between fungi and the trees they attach to. Nope. Mycorrhizal networks get incredibly complex, forming enormous webs that may link thousands of different plants in an area, from mighty oaks to the tiniest shrubs. These plants and fungi form what some scientists literally call a forest brain. But wait, it gets cooler. These connections allow trees to behave in ways we might even call social. For example, mature trees in the forest, often labeled as mother trees, use the fungal networks to transfer nutrients to younger saplings. It's like parenting, but over a mycorrhizal cable. This support system ensures young trees have a better chance at survival. And it's not just about generosity. Trees actually warn each other through these networks. Imagine this. A hungry herbivore starts munching on a tree's leaves. The attacked tree releases chemical signals into the fungal network to alert its neighbors. In return, the trees receiving the warning may ramp up their defenses, producing bitter-tasting compounds or toxins to deter the invader. Pretty smart for creatures that don't have brains, right? Let's not forget the fungi themselves. They're like the backbone of this entire system, and they don't come cheap. Did you know fungi can stretch out for miles, forming what's essentially the largest living organism on Earth? Yep, you're looking at Armillaria ostoyi, aka the humongous fungus in Oregon, covering nearly 4 square miles. These fungi are so interconnected and crucial that disturbing them could actually disrupt a whole ecosystem. In fact, deforestation isn't just about cutting down trees above ground. It also destroys the hidden web beneath their roots. The stunning thing is, scientists are beginning to see tools for us humans in this natural network. Think about how trees share and distribute resources. Could we use these principles for designing resilient communication or transportation systems in cities? Could the mycorrhizal network teach us better ways to distribute food or send out emergency warnings? Or what if we tapped into this network for forestry management? Research has already shown that forests connected by healthy mycorrhizal networks are more resistant to pests, droughts, and diseases. Understanding these networks might be the key to creating more sustainable ecosystems worldwide. Oh, and here's a juicy tidbit. Despite what we've learned, not everything about the Wood Wide Web is lovey-dovey cooperation. Trees can also get competitive, using the networks to sabotage each other. Some trees release toxins through the shared fungal network to suppress the growth of their competitors. Looks like even the forest has its share of drama queens. Researchers refer to the mycorrhizal network's information sharing system as potentially outperforming some of the supercomputers humans have built. With trillions of connections forming an ever-changing system, its efficiency is still something we can't fully wrap our heads around. So the next time you're in a forest, remember, you're not just looking at a cluster of trees, you're standing inside a living, breathing organism. There's an intelligent system of trade, alerts, and social behavior happening right beneath your feet. Isn't it insane to think that this evolutionary masterpiece existed millions of years before humans even thought of creating telephones, Wi-Fi, or the internet? If we can learn this much from trees and fungi, imagine what mysteries nature still holds. The smartest network on Earth might not require fiber optics or satellites. It might just need roots and a little help from fungi. So, there you have it. The hidden superpower of trees, an internet that keeps the ecosystem thriving. If you found this mind-blowing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to What If Facts. Comment below on your favorite fact. Are trees secret tech geniuses? Or are we humans just catching up with nature's brilliance? Till next time, keep exploring, keep wondering, and stay curious.